public speech of a member of our GMCS. With the patient, I want to discuss about the matter. America, superior power, most powerful country, the land of plenty. First, I would like why America become the super powerful in the world. Why all in the world will call America is a big brother. After the completion of Second World War, all European countries has their economy has collapsed. America has starting its relations with the whole of the world and is gained of power on in all international waters by building of 10 ship aircraft carrier ships and 500 destroyers, by building of 13,000 aeroplanes and their presence of land military in more than 80 countries in the world, by constituting the most agreements like North Atlantic Treaty Organization and projecting finances to the developing countries by establishing ports to allow their ships, and they build a permanent air base and military base the countries which so far from the America like Asian countries, Afghanistan, South Korea and some Middle African countries and Pakistan also. Now they are continuously trying to destroy the USSR, and 45 years they successful by destroying USSR into 15 countries. From 1990 to 2003 approximately they will be the power of the world, and every nation in the world has to try to do friendship with America. From 2003 onwards, the China wants to become the more powerful. The present scenario, even the America was present superior power or most powerful country in the world, but the clouds are caved. There is a question in next 5 or 10 years, is America was the superior country or not? The geographical conditions of China didn't allow them to gain power on the international waters of Indian Ocean and Atlantic and Arabian Oceans. Presently, China, by building their one economic corridors and sponsoring of finance to the Asian countries and Middle East African countries, building the ports and the agreements of allow their ships to halt in the international waters and building of artificial islands, the China become the most powerful threat to the US power. And presently, where past several years all countries want to try to do friendship with the other countries, that now America wants to try to do friendship and more agreements with some Asian countries like India. Even though present America is the most powerful country and having the more superior in their military and strong economic conditions, but the growth rate of America was not attractive when compared to the growth rates of India and China. We hope that one day the America has to lose their power on the world. Presently, I think it was starting. The government of present US is thinking to come back from the NATO agreements, and they want to charge from their military presence in Arab countries and Turkey. The countries of Arab are not willing to pay, even in South Korea also willing to pay to America. This will make their relations somewhat, it will destroy their relations with other countries, and China is trying to do is trying to gather the all countries which are present friends of the America. When you see in the past 1 year, Philippines, where in world the people of 94% of Philippines are like Americans, but present they are trying to do friendship with America. Even you will see in the case of Pakistan also, they want to try to do friendship with China. Some of other Asian countries and some other African countries like Mauritius and Afghanistan, they want to new friends, like growing of India like that. This is the case where there are the clouds on the power of America, but hopefully I think there is no more big brother to the world in coming 20 or 25 years. India and will China will be the become world's power, and the economy of world will be from small northern America to Asia. Hope that will be get it.